So how much does someone spend on HP ink in a year, or even a month? You know, when people learn I work for HP, two questions are always asked. Number one, can you get me a deal on HP laptop? Oh yeah, sure, just shoot me an email, I'll take care of it for you. And number two, why does HP ink cost more than compatible refilled ink brands? I'd never say it's cheap. However, HP ink is less than you think. Of course, we've all seen the comparisons to champagne, oil, and perfume, the most expensive liquids in the world. However, those comparisons are based solely on volume and not technology. It's a fun comparison, however, not quite accurate. These liquids have little or no R&D investment. Ink usage is microscopic. I doubt you'll use 159 liters of ink in your lifetime. And when I open a bottle of champagne, I finish it. An ink cartridge, you print a few pages at a time, taking weeks or months to empty. You're probably buying a few cartridges per year. Nielsen, you know the company that tracks TV programming and consumer behavior? They report that the average HP printer owner spends less than $75 a year on HP ink. Let's do the math. Let's see, divide by 12. Carry the 1. That's just over $6 a month. That's less than my weekly coffee habit. That's less than my internet bill. That's less than my mobile phone bill. Right? You get the point. And let's be honest, buying ink is not sexy or fun, but the average person spends less than they think. Now, at first glance, it would be easy to conclude that refill cartridges cost even less. But think about this. You may have to buy more than one refilled ink cartridge to print as much as a single HP cartridge. A Quality Logic study has shown that original HP ink cartridges print up to 34% more pages than refilled ink cartridges. Up to 34% more. Fine, but let's say you don't want to be bothered with how many pages a cartridge delivers. You just care about the cheapest alternative. Well, what about reliability? Will that refill ink cartridge work? No, not all the time. And that's the key. According to Quality Logic, more than 1 in 7 refilled ink cartridges failed during use or right out of the box. And that's not assuring. Only the HP ink tested failed less than 1% of the time. So do you think you'll be satisfied refilling an ink cartridge? A Lyra survey indicates almost half the time you will be. However, half the time you'll be unsatisfied and won't want to refill again. It's a coin toss. Heads you're satisfied, tails you're not. And think about this. If you were to buy 4 refilled cartridges per year, you actually have only a 6.25% chance of getting 4 satisfactory or 4 heads in a row. It's a gamble, a game of probability. Maybe you'll be in that lucky group and won't have any leaks, streaks, or failures with your refill cartridge. But does that mean you'll be happy with your output? Well, would you like the way your car drove on only spare tires? Or if you put diesel in the gas engine? Probably not. To get the results you want, you need components that are designed to work together. HP printers are made to provide high-quality output for HP inks and papers. Using non-HP ink may change the color accuracy of your output. And even if you're fine with that, images printed with non-HP ink won't last as long. HP ink has up to 50 times the image permanence. When you consider the quality, consistency, and reliability of HP ink, it's actually a better value than refill cartridges. Don't look at purchase price alone. Look at the big picture and see the overall value HP delivers.